Welcome to this video, and I'm going to show you how to create a rap song with Suno.com. So what you have to do is know what you want to create. Let's assume you already have your lyrics. You can come to the create section and click on custom, and then click on the right lyrics section and proceed to add your lyrics here. But if you do not have your lyrics, you can just describe what your song should be about. Let's say rap song about laptops. And once we are done with this, we can scroll down to add the type of music we want, like the style of music we want. I'll write rap and then proceed to click on the reload button of the suggestion below. You should give me something similar to what I want. Good, beat heavy, old school. If I'm done with this, I can click on create, on reload, and it should give me something more. Good. I can add deep drums, energy geeky. So it's very simple. All you also have to do is to know what you want, and then once you are done with that, you can click on create. Now these are samples of songs I've created before. So these are the kind of songs you can create on Suno.com, and sometimes you may be able to add the type of song by including somebody's name like Eminem or Tupac or someone similar. So if you've enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a comment below and subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much, and do have a great day.